Hello everyone, myself Tamanna Kumre, studying in class 10th, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Sivni, Madhya Pradesh. So, first of all, I want to tell you about VVM, which is also called Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, through a small video. So, let's watch it. So, let's start. So, first question arises that what is VVM? तो मैं बता दूं कि सुपरस्टिशन को हिंदी में हम लोग अंधविश्वास कहते हैं, जो कि बहुत लोगों ने सुना होगा और कहा भी होगा. So telling you that what is the role of science in superstitions. Superstitions are not real. Some people have said you that superstitions are real, believe in them, but superstitions are not real. Behind every superstition there is science. Now talking about science, the well-known and popular word of this era. Science is believed something realistic, which even make unreal real, just like we make an unachievable thing to achievable. So I will tell you some superstitions which everyone has listened or some people have said also it. First superstition is eating curd and sugar while heading out. The old people say this because they thought that eating curd and sugar will bring a good result of the task which you are going to do while heading out. But it is not true. The scientific reason behind this is the curd gives us a cooling effect in the stomach and the sugar gives us glucose, which is very helpful to get rid of dizziness while we are out. Superstition number 2. Swallow tulsi leaf but don't chew. The old people said this so because they thought that eating or chewing tulsi leaf will be a disrespect for goddess Tulsi. But the real and scientific reason behind this is tulsi contains arsenic chemical and also mercury chemical, which is very toxic for a human body's teeth enamel. It can damage the enamel. Next superstition is about lizards. So the superstition is, if a lizard falls on a human body, it may bring a bad luck to the home. Now the scientific reason behind this is lizard releases poisonous chemicals from their body in order to protect themselves from their enemies. They think that humans are their enemies, so they release poisonous chemicals from their body. It is bound so to contaminate it. Next superstition is, if a bat enters to your home, it can bring a death of someone. So this was a superstition. The scientific reason behind this is a single bat contains a lot of dangerous disease with them. The disease are so dangerous that there is no medical facility for it. Now, superstition number 5. You all may have listened it one time in your life. So, the superstition is ghosts residing in people trees. Trees uses carbon dioxide in day and releases O2 at night. If you sleep under a peepal tree at night, it will excess CO2 and make you feel suffocated and a pain in your fist.
Thanks to Santosh sir, our coordinator, to give a chance to participate in Junior Science Communicator. Also, I would like to thank Saroj Mishra ma'am for guiding us for Junior Science Communicator. Again, I request you to participate in VVM for a great scientific knowledge. For participating in VVM exam, you have to go to the official website of VVM, which is www.vvm.org.in. Thank you.